Hey, welcome to the channel. This is J&J's Maintenance and More, and I've been working on an old Traxxas Maxx 3.3 that it was in rough shape from being ran in the desert over in Bahrain back in 2008 and early 2009. Make a short video of what that I've done since my last video, and you're probably, if you have questions, have to go back and look at my other videos to see what I'm talking about if you have any questions. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you the truck, where I'm at with it. So in my last videos, I got into a pretty decent amount of detail on how much that I've done as far as assembly of the rear part of the truck. I went ahead and I put the front end of the truck together, and it goes together almost exactly like the back. So if you have any questions, you can look back on those other videos and you can see you've got the bulkheads, you've got the shocks, you've got the same setup here on your upper and lower control arms, and down here you've got the axles, and there's a front gearbox that goes in here. The biggest difference with this is that your tie rods they're not solid. Obviously, you got to steer it. So if you look in here, I think you can see decently, but there's basically what would be the equivalent of a idler arm right here, and then if you look on the other side, you would have what would be the equivalent of a pitman arm, and then the servo, which would be like the gearbox, the steering gearbox in a car. That's the difference in putting the front end together, is putting those items together. And if you have any questions on how they go together, you can always throw it in the comments, and I can explain it to you, or you can find it online. So other than that, I'm just about ready to put the engine in it. Whoa, sorry about that. So after I get the engine and the other components together, I'm going to go through and explain how you set check the backlash and make sure that it's good to go between the engine and the transmission, and hooking up the linkages, exhaust system and fuel lines, and the gas tank's still not on it. Now what I've done here is I've bought an OS engine. This is a OS 0.21 TM, and I'm guessing that TM stands for T-Max. So it's a direct drop-in as far as I know at this point in time. The easy start system bolts right on, and it seems to work. I did an op test on it. I got the clutch and everything in here already on it. Everything just fit right up. The exhaust system is held on by a spring vise being bolted on, which is when I was younger flying remote control airplanes, that's how all of the exhaust systems were put on. We were held on with springs. So this isn't too big of a deal to me. I've seen some people kind of complain about it, but it as long as it holds it all in place, we're good to go. So I'm not going to take a whole lot of time on this video. I just wanted to kind of do a quick update here, let you know what was coming. I would certainly appreciate it if that you would hit the like button, share it with some folks that you might think that's be interested in it. Hit your notifications bell if you'd like to get notifications from this and the dozens of other topics that I try to cover: cars, trucks, hunting, you name it. If it's interesting, I try to video some of it and put it up here. So please subscribe to the channel, share it around, like it, and then we'll get back to you whenever I get the rest of the parts that I need to put this engine and everything together. So I hope this helps you out. I hope that you're enjoying it, and y'all have a great day.